Give a Ryobi 40 volt weed eater and you need to replace the complete assembly. We're going to show you how to do that in today's video. First thing you want to do is remove the bump feed head or the other head that you may have on it. Just turn that to the left so that the arrows line up. Remove the spring. Now that we have the spring off, we can rotate this base plate to the right, and on the right hand side of the shaft there is a hole in the bottom. You're going to put a screwdriver in here. A small screwdriver will work. Slot it in, and then you can turn the base plate to the right, and this will undo completely.